Hello guys, in this video today we are here at one of our beautiful schools that we've worked with and we have planted a backyard garden, as I'm going to show you. As you can even see in the background, there's already an existing garden, and in today's video we are going to add a few pots, as I'll be showing you. We are going to add a few plants because yeah, we got a lot of space, and then it's always also good to always add if you have a lot of vegetables. So it's been long since we last had a video about gardening, and here I am back. If you're watching me for the very first time, my name is Asperia. This is my YouTube channel and I am a very passionate farmer. If you have watched me for the first time, subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to like. So this is our food tower. As you can see guys, it turns out very beautiful. When we are constructing it, looks like, what is it going to look like when it has grown? So right there is a food tower. It is carrying close to 100 seedlings. This is a smaller one, and I believe if you have this around your home, then you'll not struggle, because as you can see, we have a lot of vegetables. We have kale. If you can be able to see, this is kale. So inside here we have spinach. As you can see, that is spinach for you. And those of you who like collards, we have collards here. This is Sukuma Wiki or collards. Yeah, so you can actually plant a variety of vegetables in just a smaller space. We have also fixed a few spring onions inside, as I'll be showing you. But the whole idea is to let you know guys that you can actually grow crops without land, and you'll be able to eat, because this is just 3 meters the radius, and yeah, it can carry for you a lot of vegetables, as you can see. So it carries these vegetables and you can be eating them for almost 6 months, as long as you're able to care for them, water them, give them fertilizer and pesticide to kill the pests that could come. So this is a very good idea for you, especially if you're living in the city, in the urban environment where land is not increasing, it's just decreasing while people are increasing. So have this food tower at your home, and then you solve the problem of safe and clean vegetables. So we have this one. These are pots. Initially people use them to grow flowers around their homes, but for us we plant their vegetables because that's what we love. And so you can have a few pots actually at your home, and you plant your favorite veggies, and you save the money that you'll be taking to the market. You actually have it in your pocket, and you save it for other things. So this is very easy. These pots are not very expensive, they're affordable. Some of you have flowers in there, so you can as well grow some few veggies around your home. So these are tire gardens. Now these are used tires where people use them on their vehicles, and when they are no longer able to function, we just add some little bit of value. We repaint and varnish them. As you can see them, they have worked for 2 years. That paint is really old. We are going to renovate them, but then you can see it's very small as well, but you can grow your favorite vegetables around. So you can see we also planted a few spring onions. We have kale, we have spinach on it, and yeah, we have also Sukuma Wiki on it. And so it can carry for you vegetables for your home consumption. And if you have a relatively smaller family, this is really enough for you to always have a side dish around your food as you pick it from your very garden. So this is the open field. As you can see, these are just a small square where you can just cultivate and plant things directly down in the ground and inside the soil. So if you have a small portion maybe around your compound, you can actually grow these around your home. So these are things that we could actually have thrown away, but we revarnished them and we used them. These are some of the buckets that people buy paint. These are some of the containers, as you can see. But then I'm showing you that everything is actually useful and important if you create something beautiful out of it. In the line there, you can see those are paint buckets. We just painted them and beautified them and planted veggies around. So this is at a beautiful school. If you can be able to see, this school has solved the problem of having vegetables in their kitchen. Their learners are eating balanced diet, and also their teachers, and right away they're getting them from their very garden. We've grown tomatoes, and yeah, they have been harvesting, and so you can have this around your home. So this is also a pot garden. So these are brand new. We've just actually brought them. We are adding the veggies. As you can see, the boys are very busy planting, and they are planting kale and Pak Choi right away. In a few months we shall come back here when the garden is actually blossoming. The veggies have grown and people are going to be eating. So we've added about close to 100 pots around the school. So if you have your money, you can buy these pots and you have a lot of vegetables, really enough for your family. We actually buy beautiful colors. As you can see, the decoration, they're not actually ugly. They look so beautiful. You can mix the colors that you want. You actually get your favorite colors. For this school, we have actually realized they have a lot of black and white. We also had to get black and white, green, so that we can be able to fit in their colors, the theme colors that we see around the school. So this whole idea is called urban farming, and this is when people plant things in containers using very small spaces. As you can see, we grow them vertically. So we have these stands where we put the pots. In a space where I could have put one pot, I actually put more. So just have to be innovative and creative.